Hello guys, a quick video today to show you how I install my quad lock setup. I bought the wireless head charger. It's not connected yet, but I also bought or installed the damper for vibration. Very important for cell phone, especially for Harley, because it's shaking so much that it's destroy the camera in your phone. So damper is a really good option. Seems loose like that, but when everything is shaking on a bike, the cell phone is really still, so it's awesome. Anyway, I bought the wireless head charger, the damper, and the mount and the arm are anti-thief from BR Coven. I will put the link in the description. These are aluminum, so it's pretty strong, and even with a set of pliers, you cannot spin that because you need a key. This will just spin and the nut won't loose the arm. It's a 1-inch ball and it's a 4-inch long arm, sorry. So it's perfect for my setup. Of course, if you have a lower handlebar, maybe it will be too long, but anyway, they have all kinds of length for these aluminum arm, so they are awesome. Okay guys, job is done. My accessory switch or my quad lock setup is connected to my accessory switch. I managed to install that without cutting any connector of this Y harness. Since I only have one blocker, I blocked the other one with electrical tape so I don't get any moisture in there or anything. So instead of using connectors, obviously connect to the OEM connector of the bike, I solder it on the black and the red wire of this harness, which is ground and live from the switch. So let's try it on, see if everything is working fine. As you can see, the light of the quad lock is off, meaning there's no power in there. But as soon as I hit the accessory switch, turn on, and the quad lock light is turning on. So now it's powered. So this way I will be able to turn off the charging option of the quad lock when my phone is full, so it doesn't kind of play from 99 to 100% like for hours while I'm riding. So this is it for now. Please not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Goodbye.